Hey,
Hey, Deckard.
I heard you lost your job?
Oh, yeah. Too bad I can't make a career out of getting fired, right? It'd be like a CEO or a manager. Which one's more impressive? President?
Are you gonna be okay?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Wait!
Ah. That's...
Hello.
Hey, hi.
And in a magazine.
Who's this, B?
Puppycat.
Wow. It makes funny noises for a, wait, is it a cat? Or a dog?
Like, smell.
Whoa, dog smell.
Yeah.
Very cute. Puppycat, can you pass me those... Well, that's not what we wanted, but that's okay. We can work with this.
I like your salt shakers.
That's okay. We can work with this.
Oh, hi, Cass.
You're home early?
I finished my coding early. What are you guys trying to do?
We're trying to make this recipe I found.
Deckard, why aren't you at work?
I called in sick.
Go ahead.
Awesome!
If you wanted to fool around in the kitchen, you could have just gone to work. You're a prep cook.
I wanted to try a new recipe. I make the same thing at the restaurant every day.
Have you heard back from that culinary school yet?
Oh, you're going to culinary school?
I applied to one, but it's off the island, and I can't even cook a simple recipe.
We can still finish it?
Nah, I didn't want to say anything, but we're missing an ingredient.
I have to go to the bathroom crazy bad!
She takes her cat to the bathroom?
It smells like a dog.
You smell like a dog.
You look like a dog.
Come on, bark like a dog.
Stop!
Hey, let's go.
Things been running good.
Deckard! Rent's due. Will you deliver it for me? Sorry.
You like doing this computer stuff?
I'm good at it.
Yeah, but do you like it?
I like money. Go pay rent. And drop this off in the mail, too.
Did you fill out my cooking school acceptance form? I told you I didn't know if I was gonna go or not.
Oh, hey, you.
You know your full name?
I can't believe our parents named us after wizards.
Wizards are cool.
Your sister with her mom hair was the lowest ranked wrestler in our women's wrestling cult.
What? You said you were, like, ranked. 12.
Yes, out of 12. Oh, yeah, toast.
Hey, Deckard! Oh, you're paying rent too? Whose dog is that?
I don't know.
Doggy!
The dog is choking on your hair. They look like they might start pooping.
They look so happy.
Maybe they're soulmates.
We are here to pay rent! Cardamom, are you sick? Deckard could make you a soup. Sure.
Some.
Let me just...
I'll be right back.
Here's my rent.
I don't know who you are.
He's sick.
I'm in room 101. Usually, one of my brothers gives you the money.
And his mom's not around.
Chill.
Fried rice today, using up some of the leftovers.
See you later.
So, I guess he's gonna borrow Puppycat for a while. You wanna go to your place? Maybe we can try to make soup?
Nah. My sister has a friend over. Up. Man, you're strong. Oh, whoops.
I'd say let's make soup at my place, but I don't have a kitchen.
Yeah, how does that work?
That's why my rent's so cheap.
Can I show you something?
Like what?
It's around back. I think you're gonna like it. It's almost food. I planted all kinds of things I could use for cooking. There's a bunch of recipes that I want to try with like homegrown herbs and vegetables, so I just like found some packets laying around and I planted them.
So they're edible?
Yeah. I sort of like kind of tried cross-pollinating them, I think, with hey. They taste bad? Wait, you can tell me if they're bad. What? What's wrong? Hey, hey.
Nothing's wrong. Deckard?
Huh?
Hey!
I'm sorry.
What? Deckard? Deckard! Deckard! Wait! Everything is going to be okay.
What's happening?
We're floating down.
What's that?
A big TV.
Hi, B. Where's Puppycat?
What does this have to do
I'm
with...
sorry. I thought Puppycat and I would be transported, not you. Like soul binding or something.
I can't process this. My brain isn't letting me. Even if you were right, you disappeared off my shoulders, I would have lost my mind. It's okay.
I'm feeling good today. So I'm gonna burn you up.
Ah!
Stop it, Tempot!
Ah, okay, whatever. Who's ready for a baking assignment?
She was gonna kill us.
Just you.
Well, I haven't baked in a while.
I can always smell the food cooking in your house.
What? Cooking is different from baking.
Wow.
Aww! Matching aprons! Just like when we worked together.
Before you got fired.
Fire. That's a weird word.
No, it's not. Where are we?
Looks like...
Hey, you're right. Kind of?
There you are. Oh man, I've been waiting so long for you guys. I gotta go real bad. I've been holding. Just make sure my worker is doing his job right, please. Yeah, okay, I'm sure.
He really is a nice person, once you get to know him.
Whoa, what are you... Can I try?
Well, you're a bit small, but okay.
I haven't tried baking in forever. Man, oh man.
Really are good at this.
That looks so cool. Can I give it a try?
Of course.
I'm no good at baking.
I finished my donut. Let's send it out.
Well, okay. Time to go.
Whoa. I turned in my Cooking Prince Academy application.
Oh man, really? Wait, are you going now?
Yeah, I figure I want to get a feel for living on my own before school starts.
Well, say goodbye to everyone before you leave. He's just depressed and... Wait, what happened to you?
I don't know. Oh, I almost forgot. Will you give this to B?
They're so chubby. They're like dog mermaids. Everything. I don't know. Everything? Is that an answer? Everything.